am going to talk about the Dash Mini Maker. So this is a mini waffle maker machine for individual waffles, paninis, hash browns, and other on-the-go breakfast, lunch, or snacks. This is the white one, but they come in different colors, and I'll talk about that in a second. I love breakfast time, and I eat so many pancakes, and I love waffles, and so does my boyfriend, but we never had the equipment to make waffles, and now we do. So for his birthday, I got him this mini waffle maker, and when we eat breakfast together, I'll actually put this right on the table. We'll make the batter. I'll put it right on the table while he's eating, and we can make our own little waffles right there for us. You can also make paninis, hash browns, and other snacks on the go. So it doesn't just have to be waffles, and that's so great because I love how it has different purposes and how you can do so much with just this one small thing. As you can see, it says hot surface, and that's because it does heat up, and it heats up fairly quickly, actually very quickly. It only takes about 2 minutes to make a waffle, or even less, and it's great on the go if you just need to make something real quick and you have 2 minutes to spare. You can just make a waffle for yourself. I was looking for a waffle maker for my boyfriend, and I landed on this one. At first I was looking for one of those bigger ones with like the 4 compartments so you can make multiple waffles. Then I thought, wouldn't this be so cute if we could just have our own personal little waffles? So here I am with this. And of course I use it too. I only got it about a week ago because that's when his birthday was, but I plan to use it at least once a week. It is very compact as far as design goes, and very lightweight, surprisingly, not too heavy, and it's very sleek, and it's cute. It has a cute exterior, great for when you have guests over, also great for brunch. I love brunch, and definitely something I could travel with. Say I want to bring my own appliance somewhere. This is just such a great idea, and I prefer to keep it in my kitchen. As you can see, there is a wall plug, so you have to be by a plug in order to use it, or an outlet. This is my first waffle maker ever, and it's small and good for my really small kitchen. I live in a really small apartment, so it's very important to be able to have like things that are also small and that can fit in it without being overbearing. It has dual non-stick surfaces, so as you can see, you have the grid here, and then this, and you put it down, so you put your batter so that it's evenly spread out, and it evenly heats up, and you wait 2 minutes, and then you've got a waffle. So this is my first one ever, and I'm very happy with it. I definitely will keep using it, and it's nice that it's non-stick. It's easy to store. It's great for college students, like if you live in a dorm, or you're just, even in an RV, if you live in an RV, it's so small and it's just really nice. The waffles come out round, as you can see the shape. Remember not to scratch it with like forks and knives, because adding metal utensils to it could harm it, and you don't want to do that. It's non-stick aluminum material, and it's basically the size of an Eggo waffle. The frozen ones that you get at the store. So that's what I think of when I see it as far as size goes. The waffle's about 4 inches in diameter, and this product comes in a cardboard box, and it comes with a recipe book. It takes about 2 minutes to cook a waffle, It is white, but they sell them in so many different colors. Aqua, black, copper, gray, pink, red, silver. I just went with white. I felt like it was just very simple and nice. It's very sleek looking design, and it's just a great gift idea. I think I really did a good job there. Dash is a great company, and they provide all sorts of appliances and other things like that, and I would definitely check them out if you're interested in this waffle maker. Also, you can see the light here lights up, and you know when it's done that way as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are gonna make some waffles now.